Popcorn shoots are rich in nutrients and taste sweet. If you want to enjoy the fresh greens throughout the year, you can grow them on your windowsill and add them into your bowl of salads, wraps for a healthy snack, or sandwiches. Know everything about how to grow popcorn microgreens in home for salad in this video. What are popcorn microgreens? Popcorn microgreens are harvested right after they sprout. They're also popular as corn shoots when they're left unharvested for 2 to 3 weeks beyond the right time. Their subtly sweet flavor makes them a great addition to any meal, even if you don't like to eat veggies. Things you need to grow popcorn microgreens: seeds, any variety of popcorn or corn seed. Containers. You'll need at least 2 to 3 growing trays with enough drainage holes. Growing medium. Seed starting mix for growing microgreens, even coconut coir works. Harvesting tools. A clean and sharp pair of kitchen scissors. Small-sized misting bottle and a heating mat, which is optional. How to grow popcorn microgreens. It's a great idea to pre-soak the seeds overnight. It gives them the right boost by softening up in the water before sprouting. Fill a tray with 2 to 3 inches of potting soil and smooth out the surface and make it as flat as possible. Then scatter the seeds in the soil all over, making sure they're not on top of each other. Once done, cover them with a thin layer of growing medium. Watering. Mist using a spray bottle. Avoid pouring water with a watering can as you might end up overwatering. Once the shoots appear, mist once a day. Germination. Usually the seeds take 2 to 3 days to germinate. If you want a faster germination process, place a heating mat underneath. After they grow up to a height of 2 to 4 inches, they're ready to be harvested. Storing. The microgreens can stay fresh for 7 to 14 days using this method. Meanwhile, you can store the new shoots in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Popcorn microgreens are great for salads as they look and taste delicious and are loaded with healthy nutrients. You can use them to add flavors to omelets, smoothies, sandwiches, or any dish for that matter. They're rich in vitamin C, E, A, B, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. The fresh shoots make an excellent addition to juices and soups too. Avoid cooking popcorn microgreens as they lose their flavor and nutrition when cooked. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.